The maintenance required soon message will appear when the odometer reaches Toyota's recommended service mileage for things like tire rotation and oil change. To delete the message until the next service interval, turn the key to the on position. For some models, you'll have to start the car. To access the menu that will appear on the instrument cluster, you'll need to use the arrows and the OK buttons. After starting the car, there's no menu. Although there are minor differences from the 2020 model and the newest Corollas, I assure you, you'll be able to push the buttons and get the desired result. On this 2026 model, pushing the up and down arrows will make the menu appear. You may have to use the left-right arrows. I'm going to push the up arrow, and you'll see that a menu is on the left and it's circular, and the up arrow scrolls through the selections. Now, some of these selections, if you pause on them, the menu will disappear. So you want to use that arrow button, and yours may be left-right, but you want to navigate to the gear. All right, and the gear menu doesn't disappear. And if you look closely to the left, there's a little left arrow. It's pretty tiny, but that tells you that you need to now use the left-right arrows to navigate through this menu selection. All right, and I'll push the left arrow, and you can see that this is also a circular menu, and I'm just scrolling through the selections. So you want to scroll until you see the car with the gear. And you'll see at the bottom it says hold OK to change settings. That's what we'll do. And you have to hold the button and then let it go. Okay, I'm now in the vehicle settings menu, and I can push the up arrow to scroll through another circular menu. You'll see oil maintenance. If I want to select that, because I just changed my oil, I can press OK. And then again, you arrow up and down and select yes and OK to reset the data. And you'll notice that now there's a arrow button in the upper right hand side. You can always back out of a menu if you got into a place that you don't want by using that back button. And if you didn't just change the oil, then you'll need to go to schedule maintenance selection, and I believe not all models have the oil maintenance, and they just have scheduled maintenance. So you would select that by saying OK, and then reset data. You would say OK to that. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess up my other scheduled maintenance. After you would say OK, then you can hit that back button and the back button again. And to get totally out of this, I'm going to hit my up arrow button. And if you go to something like the audio off, eventually that'll just totally back out of the menu and time out on its own. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, know how now to find other videos, and thanks for watching.